I'm 100% convinced that the newly announced RugOne Xever 7 series from Ulefone are meant to compete with the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7 series. The RugOne Xever 7 series consists of the Xever 7 and the Xever 7 Pro, and the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 7 series consists of the Xcover 7 and Xcover 7 Pro. So in this video, I'll compare the Xever 7 Pro with the Xcover 7 Pro. It's going to be a quick specs comparison video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it, guys, the Xever 7 Pro versus the Xcover 7 Pro. Which of the two devices is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Personally, both devices are great. They are both 5G rugged phones with removable batteries. But of course, the Xever 7 Pro doesn't just have a removable battery. It has a built-in 80 mAh battery. So when you are about to swap batteries, your device would not turn off for over 3 minutes. So you could be able to swap batteries while in mid-use. That's something that the Xcover 7 Pro lacks. But currently, I don't know the price of the Xever 7 series, but I'm expecting the Xever 7 and the 7 Pro to be very affordable since they are coming from RugOne, aka Ulefone's sub-brand. So they are going to be very, very affordable, and Ulefone will probably even do many giveaways and so on and so forth. But what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.